various services, Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services are having, especially the notification recently issued by the Government of Goa. There are two notifications have been issued to the public. One is extension of validity Fire Safety No Objection Certificate. The validity of the Fire Safety NOC issued by the Directorate has been extended from 1 year to 5 years for both low risk as well as high risk building. Owners and occupiers must obtain the NOC as per regulations and submit an annual self-declaration confirming that all the fire protection safety measures are maintained and properly functional. After 5 years, NOC will be renewed based on an inspection confirming that the system are in working condition. The designated officers may carry out inspection at any time and revoke the NOC after due process if any deficiencies are found. Second notification is the new guidelines have been issued by the government. One is licensing and regulations of the fire safety agencies. The Government of Goa has introduced comprehensive guidelines for empanelment, licensing and regulation of agencies involved in third-party audit, installation of the fire protection system, certification of the fire safety compliance. Only agency licensed by the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services will be permitted to carry out these activities. The entire process, applications, approval, monitoring and renewal will be conducted online through the state single window system. Licensing will be restricted to qualified agencies and professionals meeting all technical, financial and statutory requirements. The Directorate will maintain a publicly accessible dashboard of licensed agencies. Random quality inspections will be carried out to ensure the compliance. The guidelines also include provision for license renewal, enforcement and mandatory training of technical personnel. Public advisory, all services now fully online. They have got a direct access to the online system. All public service of the Directorate, including NOC application, renewal, agency licensing and related services are completely online. Citizens do not need to visit a fire station for any purposes. For assistance or grievances redressal, citizens may contact the designated public redressal officer via official email or mobile. Suggestions and feedbacks are also welcome through the electronic submission. Contact details of the officers and online service links are available on the official website of the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services on defes.goa.gov.in. These are all the services I have read out to you, and we have got a 3 zone, North Zone, South Zone and Central Zone. The Public Grievances Officers. Public Grievances Officer in South Goa is Mr. Rajendra Haldankar. He is here. He is a Deputy Director, fire services, and public grievances officers in central zone is also Mr. Haldankar is holding charge, and public grievances officers at north zone is a Sripath Gawas, he is a division officer, and Mr. Bosco Ferrao is the assistant of division officer. So in case of any queries, any questions, you are free to ask. Our public grievances officers are here from all zones, north zone, south zone and central zone.
So guidelines, is there any tender for licensing period, like NOC period? Every year they have to apply for it is 4 years, 5 years?
No, after 5 years they have to apply.
After 5 years.
And that is also online.
So notification October 2024 is एक वर्ष है इतनी लेट टेस्टिंग लेट
The government procedures are there. No, it should be empaneled vendor should be.
लाइसेंस जे 5
वर्षात केला.
October 2024 गवर्नमेंट ने केला.
No, 2024. When it is issued? July 2025 मध्ये. अबे 3rd July 2025 it has been issued. One notification and other notification. Same. 3rd July 2025. If you want, I can give you copy also. I brought a copy for you. Huh?
5 years license कोणी इश्यू केला.
आम्ही केल्या, खूप केल्या. पहिली 1 वर्ष असले, आता कोणाची रिन्युअल जाता पळय त्या प्रमाणे ते ऑनलायन करता. ऑनलायन केले म्हणटकीर आमी तांकां न्यू इश्यू करता आसतना 5 years दिता.
सर, एक वर्षाचे नंबर खूप पटी व्हायरस होतात. थोड्याला घेत नाही 1 वर्षाचे. 5 वर्षाचे मी कसं मॉनिटर करतले? म्हणजे मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ द
From the day of when they are applied for NOC, that period counts.
सर तुवें म्हणल्यार आतां ऑनलायन केला.
हय.
पब्लिकाक हांगा येवपाची गरज ना तुमची फायर
ना ना.
पूण ऑनलायन काही लोकांचो आरोप आसा ते ऑनलायन केल्ले ते तुमी आन्सरच करिना, हांगा येतकीर पयशे घेवन तुमी NOC दिता म्हणून असो लोकांचो कांय जाणांचो आरोप आसा. हे कितें पद्दतीन?
ना, दिस इज रॉंग दिस थिंग. अशें आमकां कांयच येवना, कंप्लेंट कोणाची दिवना, कोणाची दिवना.
ऑनलायन केले न्ही जाल्यार तुमी कितले दिसां भितर ताका NOC
रोखडी विथीन 8 days we are giving NOC. First they have to apply for initial NOC, then the final NOC after compliance.
ऑनलायन करून सुद्दां ती तशीच आन्सर करिनासतना पण अशी पडीत असतात आणि तो आन्सर येतकीरच मागीर तांकां
this is wrong information. No, this is wrong information is there. This is wrong information.
ओके, आता तुम्ही आन्सर फुल्ली फर्निश हे ऑफिस नवें हें केलें. कितले स्टाफ आसा तुमचे टोटल हांगा?
टोटल हांगासर ऑलमोस्ट 55 स्टाफ आहा.
55. हांगासर कॅन्टीन आसा तुमकां?
कॅन्टीन आहा.
ते ऑलरेडी हें जालें
हय,
चलता?
फंक्शनिंग.
कोणा दिलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट?
कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट PWDन दिला. तो आमचो एक कोण तो रणजीत म्हणून.
सो ते चालू आसा?
चालू आहा, चालू आहा.
सगळे तेका हें पुरवता?
हय 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 हय.
म्हणजे पेंजीम आनी अदर प्लेस हिस्टॉरिकल बिल्डींग आहा जी फायर सेफ्टी मॅनेजमेंट तुमी पळयता सगळो जे डिपार्टमेंट अलॉट केला ते पळयता सर?
डिपार्टमेंट अलॉट केला त्या प्रमाणे पळयता आमी. नॉर्थ झोन, साऊथ झोन आनी सेंट्रल झोन 3 जाण आमचे पब्लीक ग्रिव्हन्स ऑफिसर आहा. त्या प्रमाणे ते तेंचे हे सॉल्व करता.